Hi, my name is Bill Wynn, and I want to show you how I can help you make $5,300 in the next 2 to 6 weeks with our team in Rocket Cash Cycler. First, let me show you what we do as a team above and beyond what the company offers. We will give you a powerful lead capture page system from my company at no cost. This is about a $20 a month savings. We'll also provide training worth over $2,000 from videos to ebooks and a lot more, tips and tricks on Web 2.0, social marketing, video marketing, lots of great stuff. We also give one-on-one help to strategize and maximize your earnings. You're going to get your Rocket Cash website link put in a rotator like the one below this video, and that link is all over the internet on blogs, social bookmarking sites, Web 2.0, lots of other places, and your company site will get traffic that you didn't even generate. You'll also get access to professional team members that will help you close your prospects on three-way calls. We also do team conference calls, webinars, and a lot more. Now let's get into the Rocket Cash Cycler company presentation. Rocket Cash Cycler has the highest paying 2x3, 2x2 hybrid program online. RCC is a worldwide global company, so you're not limited at all where you can advertise. They sell unique advanced software and marketing products. It's a very simple system with mass appeal, as you'll see, and they pay daily. If you make $300 tomorrow, you'll make $300 tomorrow in your account. If you make $5,000 in a couple days, you'll get $5,000 that day. It's proven. I'm making money. You also get the Skype Ninja training course. This software allows you to network with lots of other members on Skype, whether you're a realtor, school teacher, you have a nonprofit organization. It will help you connect with lots of like-minded people. There's marketing software as well that will put together all of your Skype contacts into groups, making it a lot easier to manage thousands of contacts. You also get a success training library with over 177 audiobooks valued at over $1,700. All of this added up gives you almost $2,300 in value. And you get all this for a one-time payment of $315. Now let's get into the Rocket Cash Cycler income potential. You start in what's called an Earth 2x3 pay center, and there you are there on what we call the 8 line. And you'll see that there are 3 blank positions left. Let's suggest that you enroll 2 people and someone else enrolls 1 and fills that, what we call a board. That's going to rocket you up to the 2 line past people on the 4 line because they only enrolled 1 or nobody. So what happens now is you're on the 2 line and everyone is working together as a team. This is what makes it unique. You're not enrolling those 8 people by yourself. Everybody is striving to fill that board because they all want to get up to the top and make the money. So as soon as that 8 line fills, now the board breaks and you go up to what we call the pay line. Now again, everybody's working together to fill those 8 positions, and as soon as that happens, the board breaks, you're at the top, you get paid $2,400. Now that $2,400 is actually divided into a couple different payments. First, you make $300 in cash. So as soon as you've completed your 2x3 matrix, you have your money back, you have all those books and the fantastic software essentially for free. Then you also get a $315 e-pin. With this e-pin you can place yourself back into another 2x3 matrix, do this again, and make even more money. Lastly, $1,800 of that $2,400 enters you into a Rocket 2x2 matrix, as you see here. Now you're on the 4 line when you come in here, and as soon as those positions fill, you will then go up to the 2 line, or even the very top. You can rocket past people. Now again, remember, this is a team effort. You're not filling those 4 positions on your own. All 3 people in this matrix want to bring people in, and even the first person that comes in or the second may be bringing people behind them. So as soon as this fills, you're going up to the pay line yourself. Again, it's a team effort of the people on that board to fill those 4 positions. As soon as the first position is filled with you in the pay line, you receive $1,000. Then as a second person comes in, you get another $1,000. When the third person comes, you get another $1,000. And when the board is filled, you get $2,000 for the last person. So you get a total of $5,000 cash paid out daily. If you made $1,000 one day, another $1,000 another day, it pays the day that those people come in. So what do you get for completing this board? You get $5,000 cash in your bank account, plus you get an $1,800 re-entry into another 2x2 matrix. So this goes on in perpetuity. As long as you keep bringing people in through the matrices, helping them sell packages of books and software, then you're going to keep progressing through this and making lots of money. Simply put, Rocket Cash Cycler has great products, and there are people that come in just for the products, and once they see how easy it is to share this with others, they begin to share and make money. It's very high paying, with 94.5% of revenue going back to the members. And it's a worldwide global opportunity which puts no limits on your creativity to reach out. So you decide. But if I was you, I'd get back to the person who invited you here. Ask them how you can get placed immediately. And if you can't reach them, leave a message so they can get back to you right away. Because the faster you respond, the higher you'll get placed on a board and the quicker you'll make $5,300.